Today's topic: intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, with the goal of promoting health and weight loss. Rather than focusing on what you eat, intermittent fasting emphasizes when you eat, allowing your body to enter a fasting state, which can lead to various physiological changes. Intermittent fasting has a long history and has been practiced for centuries in various cultures and religions. Ancient civilizations, such as the Greeks and Romans, recognized the potential health benefits of fasting and incorporated it into religious rituals and practices. Research suggests that intermittent fasting may offer several health benefits, beyond just weight loss. One of the main benefits is improved metabolic health, including better insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, and improved blood sugar control. Intermittent fasting has also been associated with increased autophagy, a process in which the body removes damaged cells and recycles their components, which may have anti-aging effects. How to fast. To practice intermittent fasting effectively, it's essential to choose a fasting schedule that aligns with your lifestyle and preferences. Common fasting methods include the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, the 5-2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict calories on 2 non-consecutive days, and the eat-stop-eat method, where you fast for 24 hours once or twice a week. Start gradually and listen to your body, adjusting your fasting schedule as needed. Stay hydrated during fasting periods by drinking water, herbal tea, or black coffee, but avoid adding sugar or cream, as it can break your fast. Focus on nutrient-dense foods during your eating window to support overall health and ensure you're meeting your nutritional needs. Experiment with different fasting methods to find what works best for you, and consider consulting with a healthcare professional before starting any new dietary regimen. While intermittent fasting can be safe for many people, it's not suitable for everyone, and there are potential risks, such as nutrient deficiencies, disordered eating patterns, and hormonal imbalances, especially if practiced improperly or excessively. If you have a history of disordered eating, are pregnant or breastfeeding, or have certain medical conditions, intermittent fasting may not be appropriate for you, and it's essential to seek guidance from a healthcare professional. Intermittent fasting is a popular and potentially beneficial eating pattern that may improve metabolic health, promote weight loss, and support overall well-being. By understanding the various fasting methods, listening to your body, and practicing mindfulness, you can incorporate intermittent fasting into your lifestyle safely and effectively.